Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the Realme 15 and Realme 15 Pro. There is not much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. They offer 6.8 inches OLED display. Hardware features. Realme 15 is powered by the MediaTek chipset, and the Realme 15 Pro comes with Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. They offer two rear cameras and also 50 megapixel front cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.